Hi, guys, and welcome to our series all about Wix Forms. Today, we're going to learn how to redirect to a thank you page on your site when a site visitor submits a form. Here's how you can do it. First, you need a new page where you can display the content you want to display on your thank you page. To do that, go to Pages and Menu on the left. Under Site menu, click on Add Page, and you can choose to use some templates or you can create one from scratch that you can just design yourself, which I'm going to do. Once your new page has been added, make sure to properly rename it, then click on Done. Now, start designing your page and the contents you need to add. Everything you need can be found here on the plus button on the left. And so this is just a very basic page that I've created. And of course, you can do, well, much better than I did. Anyway, once you're done, publish your site with the new page. Now, view your site by hovering over Publish and then go to View Site. Make sure to go to your thank you page and copy the link of this page. Next, go back to your editor and go to your form. Now, click on your form and click on Edit Form. Here, go to the Settings tab and go to the Confirmation Message section. Click on this drop down and make sure to select Redirect to a URL. Paste the link that you've copied here earlier. This should be the link of your thank you page. And then select whether you'd like it to open in a new tab or in the same tab. Once you're done, click on Save and close this window. Click on Save again on the editor to save your changes. And to publish the changes to your live site, click on Publish again. And we're going to try to test it out. So we're going to hover over Publish and select View Site once again. We're going to go to our form and we're going to try to submit a form. And then go ahead and click on Submit. And let's try to see if it takes us to the URL we've input earlier. And there you go. That's it for today, guys. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.